Hi guys, it's Joshua once more, and I believe you're doing great. So today is going to be a short one, I promise. Still on the Tritones idea that we discussed some few days back on the channel. That's on Inspiredfingers. Please, if you missed the video, please go over to YouTube and look for Inspiredfingers and search for that video on Tritones. I actually taught a lot on how you can apply Tritones in a simple but yet effective way. Alright, so I spotted this particular video that's in the early hours of the day on Facebook, and I requested for it, so they sent it to me on WhatsApp. So when I watched and listened to what the guy was playing, I could easily fit in those Tritones. Like, I didn't really sit down to get exactly what the guy was doing, but I could hear Tritones going on the background, and I could easily just play that our chromatic stuff, that our, you understand? That's what the guy played. Like, that's what I would play and assume as what the guy played, okay? Because like I said, I didn't really sit down to get the whole details of everything he played, but that's basically what he played. Like, that's basically what you can use to cover up in a situation like this. Let me play it for you so that you hear it.
Here we go.
Okay. So let me play alongside.
Here we go.
Let me sing it back.
Here we go.
Hear that one more time. So you can see how this our tritone idea is helping us, like, seriously. Okay, so I didn't sit down to score anything, but I could easily just play like alongside with the guy, and I still sound like I'm playing what the guy is playing. I'm not sure it's exact, but it's very hard to tell the difference. That's just all. Okay, so this is the way I learn. Like, this is the way I learn. I appreciate you guys that do sit down to score. It helps you a lot. Like, if I hadn't scored all the Tritones of a thing back in the days with Jamal, like, I wouldn't understand all these things. Okay, so it's nice you do your practice and all that while you have the time and all that to do but when you're growing, when you discover that there's sometimes some ideas will just come, and like when you just hear them, it's kind of spontaneous. You might not get exactly what the person is playing, but in your own way, you'll be able to interpret it using the existing chord vocabularies you had. Okay, so that's basically it. So let me break it down for you, because I know you guys are bored with the whole talk. So let me break it down for you. So first of all, the same Tritones. So please go back and watch that video on Tritones that I showed you. Everything I'm playing here is there. I showed you the construction, how you do that, you know, how you apply it and all that. Okay, so but here's what the guy played. Like, here's what I would play in a situation like this. So I played D tritone on my left hand, so that's D and A flat. Okay, then I played the F sharp major chord second inversion over the D tritone. Okay, so that is C sharp, F sharp, and A sharp on my right hand. Okay, so let's even maintain the sharps here. So we can see D and G sharp. Okay, then here we say C sharp, F sharp, and A sharp. All right, so I just took it down chromatically, so I don't have to break all these down for you. Just slide down. So it's 3 slides. 1, 2, 3. I hope you get it. So 3 chords. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then. So let me show you that last segment. So. Okay, so this is the chord. I'll show you. So this chord is A sharp and E. Then I'm playing A, D, and F sharp. Okay, so just slide up. So that's half step movements chromatically. When you want to talk musically, you just say chromatically down or chromatically up. So right now, that's chromatically down. Okay, we're not jumping any step, we're not skipping any step, just going half steps movement. Okay, so this last segment is going up. So we start from, okay, let's do, okay, so okay, so let's play alongside with him once and for all.
Here we go.
Oh, I missed him.
Here we go.
As simple as that. So thank you for your time, and I believe this was helpful. I'll keep sharing more tips on how you can improve